बनना चाहते हो नंबर वन ट्रेडर? वेल नो फिकर। Here are the top market updates that will help you staying ahead in the market. आज की स्टॉक मार्केट खबरों में हम आपको लेकर आए हैं पतंजलि फूड्स एंड ऑयल एंड कोल इंडिया के बारे में। Patanjali Foods. The company on Tuesday reported a 12.49% year-on-year jump in net profit at rupees 263.71 crore for the fourth quarter that ended March 31st, 2023. In the March quarter, total revenue stood at rupees 7,872.92 crore during the period under review, up 18.15% against 6,663.72 crore in the corresponding period of the preceding fiscal. Coal India. The Board of Coal India Limited on Tuesday approved an 8% increase in the prices of high-grade coal ranging from G2 to G10. This price hike will be applicable to all subsidiaries of Coal India Limited, which is expected to result in significant incremental revenue for the company. The approved price hike is anticipated to generate approximately rupees 2,703 crore of incremental revenue for the balance period of FY24. अभी के लिए इतना ही। लेते हैं कुछ और न्यू मार्केट अपडेट्स के साथ।